Yes, sir, it is your boy Session. I'm here today with my chlorophyll water, and I've been asked for the 16th millionth time, bro, can you teach me how you get your info? The plays work so well. How did you get your info? Sesh, please teach me where you got your info. Okay, so again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young nigga with a brain, educating yourself and picking plays that have been working out. Portfolio is up 85% on the year, so doing something right. But I decided to make a video, short and sweet, on how I and where I get my information, how I get the plays. Wow, excuse me. But these are going to be just some ways I get the plays and I find information and I'm able to determine where I want to get the information from. First is what everyone would probably assume, Yahoo Finance. On Yahoo Finance, you're able to look up all sorts of shit, financial reports, revenues, how much the company's spending versus bringing in, who's the CEO. You can find a bunch of stuff on Yahoo Finance. I'm not a huge fan of the UI. I know it has tons of information. There's no right way to only get information. So Yahoo Finance seems to be the most common and most traditional. So that's number one. Number two, which I think people sleep on, is actually Twitter. Yes, I said Twitter, because on Twitter, you can actually go into the company, follow the company itself, follow the CFO, the CEO, the CTO, whatever position is available who has something from that company. You can follow them, get insights, see their tweets, see what they have going on. ARK is a perfect example. ARK, you can actually see their personal portfolio and the stocks they're invested in. So you can speak directly to these representatives. You can speak directly to these representatives as well if you bother them enough, or if you have a tweet that garners their attention, they'll probably holler at you. They'll talk to you. So Twitter is not to be slept on. So last week I was getting a little reassurance. The first play with Afria, and I was thinking, okay, I need more reassurance on the stock. Is it going to boom even more? Went on Twitter, seen the stock, seen people talking about the stock, analysts talking about it, how it spiked up, talking about how much money they're making on it, talk about the trends of it. That gave me even more confidence to go in, and it gave me more insight to make the play that I made and make the plays that I make. So Twitter is not to be slept on. It is. Bon appetit. The next way I want to talk about is actually opening your ears and listening to those who are having success. So Tony Robbins always says, success leaves clues. So what you want to do is listen to the people who are winning. I'll never understand why no one seeks mentorship or seeks advisory from people who have done it. If you're in the Discord, the Manifestor Gang, then you're doing it. You're seeking other like-minded people who are going towards the common goal, or who already are having success at the things in which you're desiring to do. To me, it's a no-brainer, but to some of you, you know, it never clicks over. You know what I mean? Not the shiniest penny in the pile. Know what I mean? Listening to people who have done it, that's why you'll see me every day. I'm tuned into, whether it be, it doesn't matter if you listen to a podcast or whatever. I'm on YouTube listening to different YouTubers, stock market people who were analysts, people who aren't, but just have a very firm grip of the stocks. The Stock Modes, the Chris Sains, the whoever else you can name, me, whoever else you want to put in that category of knowing something about finance. You should listen to the people who are having success. It doesn't mean you have to do every move they do, but it helps you taking advice from people who are at-home statisticians. You don't want to be taking advice from a nigga who ain't got no job. Why am I listening to you? You don't even know how to get employment, you know? So take time, listen to the people who are winning, who are in the higher positions. Even if that means you follow someone on Twitter who's a CEO, CFO, and they say, hey, this is happening, merger. You know, so keep your mind open to those who are succeeding in the field you desire. Another way I want to give y'all, I'm just giving y'all game. I actually found this tip from a guy named Dead Inside. Crazy ass fucking name, but that's his name. This is actually the ARK Funds and First Trust portfolio. These are amazing. These are the actual portfolios of ARK. They have them broken down by sector. So the one I'm looking at right now is for genomics. It literally shows you the top, 100 stocks that ARK is invested in, as well as the percentage of the portfolio it is. So this will really help you compare your work and see, okay, are these stocks booming in the genomics field? Are these stocks booming in a different sector? You can compare. Field Trust does the exact same. It just shows what investments they're making. So if a company who's very wealthy and lucrative is investing and they're giving you a public access to see what they're invested in, it makes sense to get involved in that. They want to make money. They're not doing it to lose money. So to me, that's a no-brainer. And my last way that I get the information, and my favorite that I just stumbled upon, I'm talking to you, I'm manifesting a commercial with Seeking Alpha. Wow. This app, this company, I just found them the other day. Super dope, super dope. I was looking for information, and I was looking for a place that has everything in one hub. You can get the articles. You can actually type in your portfolio just like Robinhood, and it'll bring up the ticker symbols. It'll actually build and save the stocks you're following, and it'll make charts. It'll show you ratings. It'll consolidate all the information you need. It even has the Wall Street journals and other top rated and respected analysts decisions and ratings on the stocks, the summaries of them as well. I love it. And for right now, they're doing a trial, but even when the trial is over, it is, I believe, $20 a month. For me, being as though now my channel has a huge part of it predicated to enlightening our mind financially, I'm invested in it. It makes sense to me. But what I'm going to do is manifest a commercial with them or some sort of sponsorship with them so we can get you all a promo code, because Seeking Alpha is fire. I just found it. They have an app. It's popped up on the screen here. You watching it. It's fire. Has everything you need all in one hub. And that's my favorite ways to look up and find plays. So these are the tools I use to find them. I hope you have enjoyed these things. These are all tools and tips and ways and techniques that you can use to find some plays and bring them to the game. Break bread with the family, you know. Share it with somebody if you have proof and you see the trends and you use some of the ways that I've told you and you found some plays. Come on and DM me. Take a screenshot of your earnings. Share it in the Discord. Please be sure to join that. You know, that's how I'm finding a lot of these questions as well. A lot of you are hitting me up and it's just all love. We are almost at 1,000 members, 1,000 patrons in the Discord. I'm grateful. I love each and every one of you. I hope you're able to use these tools and find some plays on your own and educate yourself and expand your mind. I find that the more we're in the stock market, the more we end up educating ourselves about what's going on in the world, all over the world, not just itty bitty America. So for all of you, I got people worldwide that follow me and rock out with me. I love you. Many blessings to you. I hope you're having a good day, night, whatever the fuck it is where you're at. Smoking for the kid, wherever you're at. Stay awesome. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at @thesessionCA. You need the one-on-one call, hit my line. If whatever you need, we can find it on the website. Let's do it together as a team. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, and stay healthy. You did it.